So today I'm going to show you how to get the dust and clean out a Nest Protect Generation 2 smoke detector. So to take down the Nest Protect, you want to just give it about a quarter turn and then you can pull it straight down. Now this one is a wired one, so we'll undo the clip and all you have to do is push that clip in like so and it is unhooked. Let's get started. So flip it over, and this has 4 Phillips screws that you have to remove to get the cover off. So I'm going to go ahead and get those unscrewed. One's still kind of attached. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I have a little Lysol wipe that I've taken as much liquid out as I could get. And I'm just going to quickly go around it and just clean the dust off, see if I can pick up as much as possible. I'm even going to pull the batteries out so that I can get around the batteries too. The reason is just so when I use the can of compressed air that I don't blow the dust that's on this back in there. Or in there, I should say. So now I'm going to take my can of compressed air and I'm just going to blow it around this. Okay, that should be good enough. And I'm also going to flip it upside down and just see if I can get as much dust off of here as possible, just to make sure that it's really just clean when I stick it back on there. Because no one likes false alarms, which you get when there's too much dust. And it'll alert you. So I'm just going to throw these batteries back in. And let's see. They all go the same direction, which is nice. Don't have to think about it. Other than just making sure positive is going that direction. And now we're going to just throw on the cover. And I'm going to put it up kind of on an angle so that I don't hit the button on the counter, because I don't want it to erase my settings. So just go from one to the next. And this is a Phillips, by the way, screwdriver that I'm using. One more to go. Sorry you had to watch me do this as I flip it out. And this is all clean, ready to be installed. To put the Nest Protect back up in place, you'll want to connect the power if it's wired, and then you just stick it up there, put it so it's on an angle, and then turn it, and it's up.